When you hear the word worm, what comes to mind? Perhaps an earthworm wriggling through soil after rain, or maybe a leech in a pond. These seemingly simple creatures are actually members of one of the most successful and diverse animal groups on Earth, the annelids. Annelids, or segmented worms, have thrived for over 500 million years. Their name comes from the Latin word annelus, meaning little ring, referring to their most distinctive feature bodies divided into repeating segments, like a stack of rings. This segmentation isn't just external, it extends through their internal organs, giving them remarkable flexibility and resilience. The phylum Annelida contains over 22,000 known species, with many more likely awaiting discovery. These worms have conquered nearly every habitat on Earth, from the deepest ocean trenches to mountain soils, from freshwater streams to the insides of other animals as parasites. Let's look at the major groups of annelids and what makes them so fascinating. First, we have the Oligochaetes, which include the earthworms you're probably most familiar with. The name Oligochaete means few bristles, referring to the tiny, stiff hairs called chaetae on their bodies. These bristles help them grip soil as they tunnel through it. Earthworms might seem unremarkable, but they're actually ecosystem engineers. As they burrow, they aerate the soil, allowing water and oxygen to penetrate deeper. They break down dead plant material and other organic matter, recycling nutrients and enriching the soil. Charles Darwin was so impressed by earthworms that he devoted his final scientific book to them, calculating that worms can process up to 40 tons of soil per acre each year. Next are the polychaetes, or many bristles. Some, like the feather duster worms, create intricate tubes and extend beautiful feathery gills to filter feed. Others, like the scale worms, are flattened and protected by overlapping scales. The predatory bobbit worms can grow several meters long and ambush prey with lightning-fast strikes of their powerful jaws. Polychaetes often display dazzling colors, and some even produce bioluminescent light displays to attract mates. The pololo worms of the South Pacific time their reproduction with lunar cycles so precisely that local people can predict exactly when they'll swarm to release their eggs and sperm into the ocean. The third major group of annelids is the hirudinians, the leeches. Many are blood feeders with specialized mouth parts that can make painless incisions in their host's skin. Their saliva contains anticoagulants so effective that they've been used in medicine for thousands of years. Even today, leeches are used in some modern surgical procedures to prevent blood clots and improve circulation in reattached digits or transplanted tissues. Not all leeches feed on blood, though. Some are predators that hunt small invertebrates, while others are scavengers. What makes annelids truly exceptional is their physiology. Most have a closed circulatory system with multiple hearts pumping blood through vessels, similar to our own circulatory system, but simpler. They breathe through their skin, which must remain moist for gas exchange to occur. They have a complete digestive system, with a mouth at one end and an anus at the other, allowing for specialized digestion along the way. Perhaps most impressive is their nervous system. Annelids have a brain-like ganglion at their head end and a nerve cord running the length of their body, with additional ganglia in each segment. This gives them surprising sensory capabilities and behavioral complexity. Some can detect light, chemicals, touch, and even Earth's magnetic field. Annelids also display remarkable regenerative abilities. Many can regrow lost segments, And some earthworms can even regenerate an entirely new worm from a fragment, as long as it contains key vital organs. Scientists study these regenerative processes, hoping to unlock similar healing potential in humans. The ecological importance of annelids cannot be overstated. In addition to earthworms' soil processing, marine annelids are crucial components of ocean food webs. Many filter water, removing particles and improving water quality. Others scavenge dead organisms from the seafloor, while some are key prey for fish and other marine animals. From the humble earthworm in your garden to the bizarre deep-sea worms living near hydrothermal vents, annelids demonstrate nature's endless capacity for adaptation and specialization. These segmented wonders remind us that complexity and sophistication don't always come in large packages or familiar forms. The next time you spot an earthworm on the sidewalk after rain, take a moment to appreciate this representative of one of Earth's most successful and versatile animal phyla, the amazing annelids. Learn more about annelids on Earth.com by clicking on the link in the description.